Hi, this is Tom over at Phillips Chevrolet on the corner of LaGrange and Route 30 in Frankfurt. Greg stopped in today, was looking at one of our new 2018 Equinoxes, and we took that for a ride, and it was an enjoyable ride.
Yes.
And then we settled on a 2017 Cruze, and how'd you enjoy the car?
I did. I really enjoyed it. It was great, and that's why Tom convinced me to take it, and so I'm walking out with it today.
Yeah, great. Would you suggest friends and family to come?
Absolutely. I would recommend Tom.
Good, good. Well, if you need anything, come on over to see us here at Phillips Chevrolet, right here in the corner of Route 30 and 45. Have a great day.